Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we're going to redo this dresser. So follow along and remember to hit that subscribe button. Alright, we got this nice 8-drawer dresser in form here. I do have the extra handle there, so that's great. When it's missing handles, sometimes trying to make matches of them can be quite difficult. But we're going to remove all the hardware. We're going to pull all the drawers out, check the subframe. We're going to sand this piece down. And well, you can already see somebody's already done some creative design paint here in the top. So we'll be getting rid of that. So a lot of sanding is going to have to go into effect for that. From there, well, we'll get to painting this black, scuff it up, and we'll finalize this piece. So let's do a quick run by so you can see what's going on here in this piece before we start sanding and removing hardware. Alright, we've removed the hardware, pulled the drawers, checked the subframe, everything looks good. One of the drawers had a loose side, so we were gluing that back together. So overall, not bad at all. So now we can move on to everybody's favorite part, and that's sanding. Got my DeWalt sander here, 80 grit sandpaper. We're going to go over everything that's flat, surfaced with the sander, and then we'll come back and hand sand with the same sandpaper that we have on there, all the roughed edges and stuff like that. So the biggest challenge here is getting this top smoothed down. There's a lot of paint and a lot of polyurethane cracks on it. So we'll be spending some time on there. So ready to get started now? Let's start it. Alright, we painted everything twice, let it dry, and now what we're going to do is sand this stuff down, give it a nice vintage worn in look. Now this is a step that you could skip if you like that solid color and you paint really well. Man, it'll look super nice solid, but here vintage, we like that nice scuff look, and well, that's what we're going to do. So old 80 grit sandpaper, we're going to do the edges, kind of go over just a little bit, give it a worn in look. We'll do all the drawers, we'll do the frame, and then we can start waxing this piece. So let's get started. Alright, we've sanded down, we wiped it off again, and now we can add our wax. So today we're using Behr finish wax. It's a natural. It'll keep it semi-matte or a light finish. If you're looking for something with more gloss, definitely look at other waxes. But this one's going to be perfect for our farm style look that we're after. So, I'm going to apply it with an old sock, wipe it on, wipe it off, get the drawers, the frame all done, and then we can start putting that hardware on. Alright, here it is completed. It's Blackout Black. We scuffed it up, gave it this nice vintage look, and well, the end result is much better than that, what it started looking as, with that blue top and the worn out wood look. So, this is going to make a nice piece in somebody's house, and I can't wait to deliver or for them to come pick it up. If you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram. Definitely give us one of those thumbs up. We really do appreciate those. And of course, any comments, feedback, love to hear it. Also, keep an eye out for some future projects coming your way.